Today we will make a variable power supply by using the old DC adapter we have. Enjoy watching.